To my channel. Today we're going to solve question 7 for WAEC 2025 Maths Objective. The question is on set theory. This is on Venn diagram. So in a class of 42 students, right? In a class of 42 students, so the universal set is 42. You have 42 students in that class. 21 offer history. So let history represent capital H. And 28 offer government. Let government represent capital G. So from the information, we said we are given that 21, that's N of H, 21 offered history, that's 21, and the N of G, that's number of students that offer government, is 28. If each student offer at least one of the two subjects, find the probability that the student selected as random from the class offered only government. So let's represent this information on a Venn diagram. So we have this. We have the universal set to be 42. So this circle will represent history, and this one will represent government. So let's put the information on the Venn diagram. We are told that history is 21, so this is 21. Government is 28. So for us to know, okay, government is 28. For us to know the number of students that offered only history and the number of students that offered only government, we need to know the number of students that offered both. So this is both, the intersection. So this place will be X. And to know the number of students that offered only history, that will be this 21 minus the both. So this is going to be 21 minus X. That's history only. And the same thing for government. To know the number of students that offered only government, that will be 28 minus the both, to 28 minus X. So we're going to transform this Venn diagram into a mathematical equation. So that will be 21 minus X plus this X plus 28 minus X equals to the total number of students in the class, which is what? 42. So here, this S can cancel out this S. We have 21 plus 28 minus S equals 42. 21 plus 28, this will give 49 minus S equals 42. So we have minus S equals 42 minus S equals 42 minus 49. So our minus S will be equals to minus 7. So minus can cancel out minus here. So S is equal to 7. So that means 7 students offer the both subject. So let's go back to the question again and see what we have to look for. The question is, find the probability that a student selected at random from the class offered only government. Now, since we have both subjects now, so get only government, that will be, we come here, that will be 28 minus S, and S is already 7. So government only government will be 28 minus 7, which is 21. So 21 students offered government only. Now, the question is, find the probability that a student selected at random offered only government. So this is the probability of only government will be how many students offer government? That's only government, that will be 21 divided by the total number of students in the class, which is 42. So this gives 21 can easily go here, 1 in one place, and 21 can go in 42, that's 2. So probability that the student offered only government is 1/2. Let's go to the option and check the correct answer. So option A, 1/6, option B, 1/3, C, 1/2, D, 3/4. Option C is the correct answer. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video.